Hello students and viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. I am also fine. This is Shahnaz Parveen here with your online class. How are you? I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Dear students, we have already enjoyed a class on suffix and prefix, transformation of sentence and voice. Now we are going to enjoy a class on speech. So let's start. Dear students, now let us know what is speech. Speech refers to the words of a speaker. There are two types of speech. They are direct speech, indirect speech. Now let us know what is direct speech. The actual words of the speaker may be quoted is called direct speech. Look at the example. Jamil said to me, I have done my work. Here the speech is quoted within inverted comma. Now, let us know what is indirect speech. When we report what the speaker said without quoting his exact words is called indirect speech. Look at the example. Jamil told me that he had done his work. Look at the example. Here the speech is added by that and without inverted comma. Now look at the example. Jamil said to me, I have done my work. Here Jamil is subject or speaker. Said is reporting verb. Me is listener or object. I have done my work. It is reported speech and it is within inverted comma. Now let us know what is reporting verb. A reporting verb is a verb such as say, tell, ask used to indicate that discourse is being quoted. It's also called a communication verb. Look at the example. He said. It is a reporting verb. Now let us know what is reported speech. The sentence within inverted comma is called reported speech. Look at the example. He said, I am ill. Here, I am ill is a reported speech. It is within inverted comma. Dear students, look at the triangle. In three corners, there are three important things: sentence, person, tense. In order to learn the speech or narration, we should have a very clear idea about these three things. In our last class, we discussed details about sentence. I hope you have a good idea about sentence. Dear student, look at the chart. It is a change of person or pronoun. The person of reported speech will change in the following way. If the person of reported speech is first person, then it will change according to the speaker or subject. If the subject of reported speech is second person, then it will change according to the object of reporting verb or listener. And the third person of reported speech will remain unchanged. Dear students, if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, then there will be no change of tense in reported speech. Dear students, if the reporting verb is in past tense, but the reported speech expresses the universal truth or habitual fact, then there will be no change of tense in reported speech. Dear students, if the reporting verb is in past tense, then the tense of reported speech will change in the following way. Look at the chart. Simple present in direct speech will turn into simple past in indirect speech. Present continuous will turn into past continuous. Present perfect will turn into past perfect. Present perfect continuous will turn into past perfect continuous. Simple past will turn into past perfect. Past continuous will turn into past perfect continuous. Past perfect will remain unchanged, and the future tense will turn into the past. Future in the past. Dear students, now we are going to learn the change of modal auxiliaries. Shall in direct speech will turn into should. In indirect speech will turn into would. Can turn into could. May turn into might. May have turn into might have. Need turn into needed. Dare turn into dared. Must turn into had to. Must have will remain unchanged. Now we are going to learn the change of time specific words. Here in direct speech will turn into there in indirect speech. This will turn into that. This will turn into those. Now will turn into then. Ago will turn into before. Come will turn into go. Thus will turn into so. Hence will turn into thence. Tomorrow will turn into the next day. Today, that day. Tonight, that night. Yesterday, the previous day. Last month, the previous month. Next week, the following week. Good morning will turn into wish good morning. Good night will turn into bed good night. Dear students, in order to change a direct speech to indirect one, we have to follow simple 5 steps. Now let us know what are they. Number 1, at first we should identify the subject and object of the speech. Then we should identify the reporting verb and also the person and tense of reported speech. Number 2, next we will change the reporting verb according to the sentence. Number 3, we will remove the inverted comma and add the reported speech by using that or if or to. Finally, we will change the tense of reported speech according to the list if the reporting verb is in past form. Number 5, and if there is any time specific words, it will also change according to the list. Dear students, now we are going to learn how to convert a direct speech into indirect in assertive sentence. In assertive sentence, reporting verb will change in the following way. Said will remain unchanged. Said to turn into told. Say will remain unchanged. Say to tell. Says to tells. Number 2, by removing inverted comma, we will add conjunction that before reported speech. Dear student, look at the example 1. Karim said, I have come. Here, the reporting verb is in past form. So, we change the tense of reported speech. Our indirect speech is Karim said that he had come. The reported speech in present perfect. That's why we change it into past perfect. Look at the example number 2. He says, I am ill. Here, the reporting verb is in present tense. Look at the indirect speech. He says that he is ill. The tense of reported speech is remain unchanged because our reporting verb is in present tense. Look at the example 3. Karim said to me, I am ill. Now, look at the indirect speech. Karim told me, said to turn into told, and the tense of the reported speech also changed because our reporting verb was in past tense. Look at the example 4. They say to me, you can help your father. Look at the indirect speech. Here, the reporting verb say to turn into tell, and we change the person only, and we don't change the tense because the reporting verb is in present tense. Look at the example 5. Teacher said to us, the earth moves around the sun. Here, the reporting speech was in past tense. In spite of that, we don't change the tense of reported speech because the reported speech expresses the universal truth. Now, look at the indirect speech. Our answer is teacher told us that the earth moves around the sun. Dear students and viewers, that's all for today. Now I think you have a clear idea what is speech, what is reporting verb, what is reported speech, and about subject and object and person of reported speech. Now I hope you will be able to convert any speech of assertive sentence. I will be back with the rest part of class in my next class. Take care till then and keep practicing. Stay at home and remain safe. Bye.